Item 2. Thrice the larger of two numbers is 5 more than 5 times the smaller, and the sum of 6 times the larger and 5 times the smaller is 265. What is the larger number? So dito, we're gonna let numbers muna. So A is our bigger number. Tapos si B ang smaller. Ang sabi sa first part, thrice of the larger daw. So 3A is equals 5 more than 5 times the smaller. So 5 times the smaller, 5B, more than 5, so plus 5. That will be our first equation. Second part, and the sum of 6 times the larger, 6 times the larger daw, sum, so plus 5 times the smaller, this is equal to 265. That's our equation 2. So meaning to say, pag ganito, meron tayong systems of linear equations. Ang gagawin lang natin is, I'm going to use elimination method dito. So I'm going to add, before that, ito, I'll make this in this form. So meron akong 3A minus 5B equals 5. Now, as you can see here, I can actually eliminate ito, di ba? Ito, by adding. So, ang gagawin ko, I'm going to add equation 2 plus equation 1. So, I will get 6A plus 5B equals 265. Add ko siya by 3A minus 5B equals 5. This gives me 9A equals 270. To solve for A, divide ko lang by 9. Ang A ko will be 30. Ang question is, what is the larger number? A is my larger number, right? So, ang answer ko dito is letter C.